Hi, my name is Dr.Bao. We're located in Berkeley, California. We're one of the first licensed manufacturers here in California to do what we do best, make ingredients. And from making great ingredients and helping other brands to come to fruition, I was invited on this panel to talk about my experience and talking to many companies that are in the same space of what you guys are in the audience right now. Either you're starting a brand or thinking about the scale. I've heard a lot of good stories and bad stories, so I'd love to share them with you.
My name is Mark Grayboys, co-founder and CEO of Next Frontier Biosciences.
My name is Hsiao. I'm the president and general counsel of Canada Royalty.
When do you choose trade secret protection instead of patent protection?
Trade secret protection is you don't have the wherewithal to really document and pursue a patent, and you maybe have less likelihood of obtaining that patent, but you still believe you have valuable trade secrets in the form of your secret sauce or your formulation.
Who controls your marketing messaging for your brand in other states?
Generally, and the way that we like to see it is that the brand controls that, because there's an inherent degree of loss of value when you have a third party doing it that doesn't understand and know your product the same way. That doesn't mean you can't have a third party do it, it just means you need to do a lot more work to make sure that they're fully up to speed.
The owners and the COOs become brand ambassadors themselves. And pretty soon they'll build that team and have to leave their home-based team and go out to different states to be those brand ambassadors. You can't duplicate yourself. So as the brand ambassador to what you believe in and what you've done, unfortunately there's PR firms, there's marketing firms, but those, like you said, are not the true representation of what you are and what you do.
How do you recommend structuring a deal when your client wants to own the IP for the formulation that you're creating?
In California right now, we're under the guise of permits, right? So a brand can come in and have their own permit, which is a manufacturing type 6 or type 7 or a micro business, and then they can just hire us to actually make their products and then own that IP and we don't touch it. Or a brand doesn't have the ability to have their own home base and actually develop their own products from scratch to finish, they have to go under our license. So it's very difficult for us to differentiate because there's general liability insurance, there's product insurance, product liability insurance. If something blows up that you own, like a pen or a disposable pen, I'm liable for that. So sometimes we don't take those clients on because we don't have that over-encompassing arch of control. It's very tricky. So my advice is that if you want us to at least start it. Don't worry about the IP, don't worry about anything. See if you have legs in this space that you're trying. Let us help you. And then from there you can graduate on to maybe just using us for sourcing of materials, but then go out and do it yourself.